What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Mariah. We are back with another video. Today we are going to where?
The beach.
We're going to the beach, and I'm going to be vlogging a little bit of today, so I'll see you guys then.
Going to the beach.
So right now we just got here. Here's all my friends. We have like all of our snacks and stuff. The whole cooler. We got some ceviche, and it's about to be lit. What's going on? Hey guys. Bro, I like all these colors together. I don't know why it looks pretty cool. No, like all the blues that she has. Say hi. It smells like this. So right now we just got on the beach. It's kind of late. It's like, what time is it? Tracy, what time is it?
It is 7:03.
We just got here and it is 7:03.
7:03.
Yeah, we were supposed to get here like at what? Like 12?
Honestly,
But everyone was lagging. Everyone took 30,000 years to get ready.
literally everyone.
But we finally just got here and it's gonna be cool. I don't know if I'm gonna get in the water because look at it, looks so pretty. Like it really does look pretty, huh?
Honestly, it probably so bomb. So cute.
I know, just look at that, like so pretty. But I don't know if I'm gonna get in anymore. Why? He's struggling. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get in because the water looks really cold. And I might have gotten in earlier, but now that it's hella cold, I'm not about to get in. Look at this. Hey. Oh my gosh, this is a good picture. Look that way. Look that way. Put your hands down. Wait, take off your jacket. Yeah, take it off. It's a good picture. No, like take it all the way off. Yeah, all the way off. And then put one side hair all braid back. That side. Put that side braid all the way back. Okay, now put your hand down. No, put your hand back up. Okay, and kind of look at the sky. Not that sky, the left sky. Okay, and now put your hand down. Now don't smile. Don't smile.
Like off guard, like.
Okay, that's good. Oh, look what she just popped out. That's a beach hat. Okay. Ooh, get it. She about to get in the water. Yeah. She said she doesn't care.
Crazy.
Girl, you're tripping, Tracy.
You're getting in the water?
I'm a water baby too, but I'm not about to get in. It's like fucking 30 degrees. Bro, yes it is.
No, thank you.
You're getting in? I was down to get in earlier, but I don't know about right now.
Go get in. Oh, this guy was already ready. Dude, this guy was already getting ready to jump in. So she can't be the only one.
Not?
You keep
Ooh, open it. Ooh, oh. Okay. Wait. Ooh, okay. Oh, these are cute angles. Ooh, what you stretching for? Yeah, okay. Period. They're recording. These? I don't know. Yeah, they're for everybody. Yeah, I want to eat too. Where's the bowls? Oh, where's the chip? Okay, here's the chip. Okay, we got the chips on head. What else do we need? The top two. I like ketchup on my ceviche. I don't know about y'all, but
yeah, no.
we got some chamoy for the chips. Tracy really about to get in the water right now. Is that thunder? She really is.
We forgot a
No, I put one in there. Oh, it's right here.
Oh shit, you came.
I know. I go camping. I know how this works.
Wait, put over.
Speaking of camping, I'm gonna be going camping really soon. I think in the next week or two. So watch out for that vlog. If you haven't already, like, go watch that vlog. It's like the second or third one down. So go click on that. The link will be down in the description.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Yeah, it's for my YouTube channel. You're not. I'm vlogging. Hey, this is a cute little video though. Ooh, look at this.
like it, so you can understand.
Bro, your hair looks so red. Look,
Oh yeah,
it looks hella red, huh?
that's good, right?
Yeah,
Looks
cute. You're gonna eat first?
Yeah.
This is a good picture, bro. Like, really good.
Yeah, I should drink green.
Hey, when you watch this, just screenshot it. There you go.
Can someone pass me the Tapatio, please? What the fuck? You just broke my ice cooler. You dumbass.
You see what I did?
What? Ew!
It's good.
That's gross.
Don't judge. It's good. I need some tapatio, and then we set.
Look at that right here.
You told me to shut up, but I'ma do
That shit right, like, what the fuck? You're gonna find it.
drop my case.
Taste the bag. The day you lost his soul, I wish the day turn that shit up. Wait, turn that shit over. Turn it up.
Get one more bag with my nigga. One day it's forever with my dog. Guys, look at the sky. It looks so pretty. Like, it's like perfect. What's it called? Lighting. But yeah, we're about to go take pictures right now, so you guys will see that on the ground. I'll put her Instagram, where it'll be right here, and her Instagram will be right here. What's your Instagram name?
Mode for Life 7.
Right there. Bam. So if you guys want to go follow them, we're about to take pictures right now. You guys want to go see them, make sure you go check out their social medias.
You dig? You feel me?
All right, so I'll be back with some pictures in a little bit. So we just got done taking pictures, yeah? Oh, you want to go? She wants to go in the water. I'm about to get in. It's too very cold. But I'm going to go with her.
Okay.
What?
Just say you have. Let's go.
So yeah, we just got done taking the pictures, and you guys will see them later. You look what? Oh, no you don't. You look fine. Bro, she's really about to get in this water, and I don't believe her. I don't believe you.
I'm really finna do it though.
Are you really like that ass? Like, you better run in there no matter what.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that.
I knew you weren't gonna get in.
No, I really was, but then it's dark, it's cold.
It's not dark.
So, watch out of the glasses. It's bro. Hold up. Nah, I want to see. I don't even like how the water feels. It's coming right now. Ooh, I'm scared. Are you gonna get in?
The coach?
You gonna get in?
Hell yeah, I'm gonna get in.
Let's see. Run in there. Go, 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 go. No, he's not. He's about to slow down. Yep, slow down. Ooh, I thought there was something on my foot. He just dove in. Yeah, bro. Not I. Watch me get in a little bit. Ooh, Tracy really just. Okay.
She said we gonna change, right? Like,
We're all chilling at the beach right now.